Hey guys, it's me, Andrea, and I'm here in nature. Sometimes because of all the chaos and the unknown that's going on, all you need to do is just unplug. And that's what I've done. And sometimes you just need to take 5 seconds and take a breath. So my tip for you today, guys, is when you feel stressed at work, with the kids, at home, in traffic, rush hour, take a moment. Take time for you and take a break. Take that 5 seconds in with all the good and gratefulness that you acquire and all that life has given you. Breathe out and release all the toxicity, concerns, anxiety, negative energy. And join me and take a step into nature. Enjoy life. And on that note, my friends, I'll see you in the next one.